there, Bear Brothers Cleaning, Alabama's go-to cleaning pros. Today, we're showing you how to clean your living room like a professional. Your living room is where your family spends most of their time, but it's also collecting the most dust, dirt, and germs. Here's how to deep clean it properly. Most people just vacuum and call it done, but dust on ceiling fans, grimy remotes, and debris under furniture are making your space dirtier than you think. Follow our top-to-bottom method. Start by dusting ceiling fans and light fixtures. Wipe down all surfaces, including coffee tables and shelves. Clean electronics and remotes with disinfectant wipes. Vacuum or dust furniture before floors. Finally, vacuum or mop floors, moving furniture to get underneath. Don't forget baseboards and corners where dust loves to hide. Now that's a living room you can be proud of. Fresh, clean, and ready for family time. Do this weekly for a consistently spotless space. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332. Visit bearbroscleaning.com.